Okay, this is about powers of powers. So this is when you've got brackets. So I've got 5 squared to the power of 3. Now if something's to the power of 3, you write it out 3 times. So 5 squared times 5 squared times 5 squared. Now we need to work out how many 5s there are there altogether. So the first one, 5 squared, is 5 times 5. 5 squared again, that's times by 5 times 5, times 5 squared again, 5 times 5 again. There are 6 of them all together, so the answer is 5 to the power of 6. So one way to do this is just write it out 3 times and see how many 5s there are all together so that we can simplify into index form. So here's another example, a cubed to the power of 4. So a cubed once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, that's to the power of 4, we write it 4 times. Now how many a's are multiplied together altogether? That's a times a times a, that's 3 of them. Times a times a times a, that's another 3, so that's 6. Times another 3 of them, so there are 9 now, and another 3 of them, so 12 altogether. So it's a to the power of 12. Okay, 3x squared cubed, so same thing, 3x squared times 3x squared times 3x squared. Now the rule here we've seen before is that you start by multiplying the numbers first, so 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. If you need to use a calculator for that bit, that's not a big deal. And then how many x's altogether? X squared times x times x cubed times x squared, sorry. So 2 of them there, 2 of them there, 2 of them there, 6 of them all together, so x to the 6. Okay, at this point I'd like you to pause the video and do all of question 1 and then come back to see the shortcut. Make sure you do that, it'll really help you understand if you do that first. While you're doing question 1, see if you can guess what the shortcut is. Okay, so here's the shortcut. So 7 squared to the power of 8, you multiply the powers, okay? So think of the brackets as coming together into a multiplication sign. So it's 2 times 8, so 7 to the power of 16. B to the 5 to the power of 7, it's b to the 5 times 7, and 5 sevens are 35. Okay, go and finish off that exercise.